What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the CAR-NIVORES YouTube channel. Adding some shit to the Vette today. I know it's been a while, but we got some brand new Vette LED corner lights, turn signals, lasers, whatever. Here's the box. This is what they're called. Construction noise as always. I got these, they just came out. I got them for 175 bucks because of a discount code. I don't remember what the code was, but I use Honey. But when they first released them, they were like 195. I don't know what the original price will be when they go back on sale. I got one of the first 50 sets of the clears. They did 50 clears and they did 50 tinted. Obviously, I don't really have much tinted products on the Vette, so I went with clear. And I gotta say, looks pretty damn good. It matches really well with what I got going on. So this is gonna be a video of how I installed them. It's really simple. It's a little annoying because of one freaking screw, but you know, I'm gonna just go ahead and knock it out. I already got one in, as usual. Time to do the second one. And yeah, here's the before. I mean, this looks like shit now compared to how that looks, so. And then I should probably get it like ceramic coated or something, because I didn't even realize how yellow these were until I put the other ones in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. I already started a little bit before I realized, oh, I do YouTube, I need to pull the camera out. So let's do it. All right, first things first, you're gonna wanna jack up the car however you can. In my situation, I have to jack it up, sit it down on the ramps, and then jack it up even more. Down here, look at all that oil. Anyway, first thing you wanna do, for my car, 7mm. There is 3 down here. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 more over here. 1 and then 2. This is the last one that I need to get out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this off. All right, so this is what the panel looks like. Yeah, excuse my mess. I just changed the oil and stuff earlier. That's what it looks like. And get this light on. This is what the area you're gonna be working with. So right there, you can see the corner light. You got this screw, that's another 7. And then over there somewhere, you got a 10, and that's the annoying one. So once you get those off, the 7 is pretty straightforward. The 10, you'll probably have to bring the air duct down for the brake and reach in here to get that screw. Let me see if I can. I hope you can see that, because I can't tell. So that's the one that's gonna be annoying. What I use is I use an extended 10mm, and that's how I was able to like maneuver it around in here and get that off. So yeah, good luck. All right, this is the culprit. That one came out pretty easy. And you want to pop your lights out. Actually, where is my, oh, there it is. There's my old LED. Go Go ahead and pull that out. Bam. And yes, my shit is melted. All right, next, it should be pretty easy. Push it out. There's a spring. Let's see if I can get some light on that. Be wary of that spring right there. You're gonna have to put that back because it's a part of the support system for the housing. So unhook it, bam, it's gonna fall right out. And then pull it out. Bada bing. Now, you gotta get this tray off, or this, I don't know what to call this, mount, I don't know. It's just two 7mm right here. Ignore my tape. That was me trying to, this one wasn't as melted, but that was me trying to keep it from melting. But yeah, so two 7mm here, and this comes off. Little side note here, this is the passenger side housing, and this is what happened to it, and this is why I needed new housing, and this is also why you convert your shit to LEDs, because the regular bulbs will melt the shit out of this stuff, so if you drive your car often. So yeah, these are junk now. All right, so this is the new housing. This is where I'm going to assume this doohickey is a ballast, but that's where it plugs in. And this is so that I'm assuming you don't get hyper flash or anything like that. I'm gonna mount it anyway, even though I already have a hyper flash harness and shit. But so yeah, and I glued, it's got like double-sided tape or something here. I waited until I had this in place before I mounted this here-ish somewhere, because you want to get this in place before you you know, end up having it in the way or something like that. So I'll show you how I did that. One mistake that I made was I went ahead and got this in first before I plugged these in. Go ahead and plug these in, then while you're getting it in there, then mount everything, because it got kind of screwy trying to get all of these wires all up in like that, and then screwing it in. It got a little complicated, so I'll show you how I did. All right, but first you have to get this mount on here, just like that. Get these two 7mm back in there, okay? Okay, so go ahead and damn it. Squeeze it in there like that. But like I said before, go ahead and plug this up now. Big one and the big one, little one, and get that ballast on here plugged in, so that you could get this done now and plugged in nice, and then mount the housing. So all right, so now that those are in, you got your 7 right there, and on the 10 on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and get the 7 in so that the housing doesn't move around too much, and then we'll fuck with this 10. I hope so. I'll edit this out, but it's in. Now, up here, there's a little clamp for the spring, and then the spring goes right there on that little chip of the housing. It hooks on there. So it's gonna look like that. Bang, bang. All right. Okay, and always check and make sure it works first before you seal everything up. what actually happened was I had this plugged up, the second ballast, and these didn't turn on. The only thing that turned on was that corner right there. But now everything works once I unplug this ballast, as you can see. All right, now that that's in, everything's sealed up. It's pretty tight. Time to put the box back on, and that's it. All right, there it is. That actually looks really good. That looks way better than I thought. Yeah, this was a good buy. Oh yeah. All right, so that's it. I hope that fucking helped. I think it looks dope. I definitely recommend y'all get these. It modernizes the car really fucking well. Yeah, and hope this helped you. It's pretty simple. Just like I said, it can be a little bit annoying with that one screw. You just gotta play with it. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, join our Facebook group, check out Vette lights, check out Corvette Innovations for these lights, Corvette Innovation splitters, Corvette Innovations 3-piece splitter, splitter rods in 3-piece splitter, whatever. Their hood vents, discount code HUNGRY if you are interested in those things. You can even get these Vette lights products at CorvetteInnovations.com. But yeah, so I hope to see you guys around. Hope to see you guys on the channel again soon. Thank you, and feels nice to be modding the Vette a little bit. So I'll be getting night shots of it like right now. So see y'all.